Often, when we're trying to improve upon a process, we want to gather ideas from as many users of that process as possible. One way to do this is through brainstorming. Of course, when we have many users in a variety of locations, we need to find a way to brainstorm to gather as many ideas and thoughts as possible when we can't get everyone together in the same location. Consider this best practice to brainstorm with a variety of individuals across a variety of locations to gather as many thoughts and ideas as possible. 1. Put flip charts in a variety of locations in each of the offices impacted by the process improvement initiative. For example, you might put them in a cafeteria, in hallways around specific departments, in a conference room, or any other location that is accessible by employees only. 2. At the top of each flip chart page, ask the question or state the problem. For example, the current process of paying vendor invoices is creating delays in meeting our goal of paying vendors within 30 days. What improvements might be made in the process to ensure we pay all vendors within a 30-day timeline? 3. Hold a number of virtual all-staff meetings and/or send an email around and let people know about the project and that you want their ideas. Let them know about the flip charts in each office and specifically where those flip charts are located. Ask them to take some time throughout the day over a specific period of time, say 1 or 2 weeks, to gather ideas, and write down an idea, a suggestion, a thought, a concern, or a question of their own on a flip chart in a location near them. 4. Be sure to designate a point of contact or two in each office location who can do a couple things. 1. Check in and tape filled up flip charts to rooms so people can see what was already written, and ensure there is always a flip chart handy for participants to write on as well as markers to write with. This person may also serve as a point of contact if any participant from that office location has questions. For a 2-week time period to respond to the questions asked, send at least one reminder after the first week. This keeps the initiative fresh in people's minds and enables for further participation. At the end of the time period for participation, ask the point of contact at each site to gather up the flip charts, compile the information, and share with the BPI project team. One central point of contact designated by the project manager should then compile all flip chart data and sort and categorize as appropriate. This information is then used to craft an initial draft or two of a new process in order to share back with the individuals impacted to get their thoughts on a potential to-be process. I have used this best practice at a number of clients as part of business process improvement initiatives and have seen great success in getting significant participation in the BPI initiative. Remember, we don't want to limit the number of individuals contributing to improving a process. The more individuals we can get involved, the more likely that we have champions of our BPI initiative who are, therefore, more likely to actually utilize that new process when it is released. Good luck on your next BPI initiative.